1932, Copenhagen. A calcium atom emits 2 photons. They fly apart at 300,000 kilometers per second, yet they share one soul. What invisible thread binds them across the void? One photon travels to Paris. The other to Tokyo. Distance is irrelevant. When you measure Paris's spin, Tokyo's state collapses instantly. Emphatic, not because of a signal. Because they are the same object. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. He believed hidden variables guided the particles, but in 1964, physicist John Bell proved him wrong. The universe does not decide the outcome beforehand. It creates it upon observation. Today, we harness this. In 2022, 3 physicists won the Nobel Prize using entangled photons. They built unhackable quantum networks. Information jumps through space, not through wires. Reality itself is the communication channel. Look at the calcium atom again. The 2 photons never touched, yet they knew each other's fate. Space is not empty. It is woven. We are not separate. We are entangled. In the silence of low Earth orbit, 2 satellites drift apart. Each carries a single photon, born from the same calcium atom. They exist in superposition. Not here. Not there. Everywhere and nowhere, simultaneously. The photons refuse to settle. They are a shimmering cloud of probability, vibrating with every possible outcome at once. Until one is measured. That instant collapse forces the other into a definite state. Instantly. But here is the reversal. No signal travels between them. Not even light. The connection is faster than 100,000 kilometers per second. The distance is irrelevant. The particles do not communicate. They share a single existence. Back on Earth, the calcium atom glows. 2 photons, never touching, yet forever linked. Space is not empty. It is woven. We are not separate. We are entangled. Vienna, 1935. Erwin Schrödinger stared at 2 photons. He called it entanglement, but for decades, it remained a ghost story. Until 1964, John Bell proved it was real. Now, the cloud shatters. 1 photon hits the detector here in Paris. Its spin is UP simultaneously, 1,200 kilometers away. The partner in Tokyo snaps down. No time passed. No signal sent. But look closer, they do not talk. Light takes 4 milliseconds to cross that gap, yet the change is instant. Amazed, Einstein called it spooky action. He was wrong about the speed. Right about the mystery. Intense, the reversal. They are not 2 particles, they are one object, split by space. Distance is an illusion. When you measure one, you measure the whole. The universe does not separate what it binds together. Back in Vienna, the chalk dust settles. 2 photons, never touching, forever linked. Space is not empty. It is woven. We are not separate. We are entangled. Vienna, 1935. Albert Einstein, Boris Podolsky, and Nathan Rosen sit over strong coffee. They argue nature is not random. They propose hidden variables. Like gloves packed in separate boxes, the state is already fixed. But is it? For 30 years, the gloves stayed put. Then, in 1964, physicist John Bell devised a test. He created a statistical inequality. If nature hides secrets, the correlation caps at 2. If it's truly connected, it breaks the limit. The universe had to choose. In 1972, John Clauser fired photons at detectors in San Francisco. The results defied Bell's limit. The gloves were not pre-packed. The choice happened at the moment of measurement. Einstein's hidden variables vanished. Reality was undecided. But distance remained untested. In 1982, Alain Aspect in Paris separated particles by 12 meters. He switched detectors faster than light could travel. The correlation held. Instantly. No signal traveled. Space itself was bypassed. The local world dissolved. Today, entanglement links cities across continents. 2 photons, never touching, share one existence. Space is not empty. It is woven. We are not separate. We are entangled. The universe binds what it splits. 2023, the Canary Islands. Two telescopes aim at quasars 3 billion light-years apart. They choose measurement settings using ancient light. No hidden variable could predict this. Is reality truly undecided? The photons arrive, entangled. Their states remain undefined until that ancient light hits. Instant correlation. Perfect. Space and time are irrelevant. The universe acts as one. We assumed separation meant independence. That distance creates isolation. But the data shows otherwise. Entanglement is not rare. It is the default state of matter. The reversal, we are not separate objects. We are continuous. Every interaction binds us. The boundary between self and other is an illusion. We are woven. Back on the islands. The telescope stands silent. The ancient light faded. But the connection remains. We are entangled. The universe binds what it splits. Deep in the fabric of space, two particles drift apart. One heads toward the Andromeda galaxy, 2.5 million light-years away. The other stays near Earth. Are they truly separate? Or is space itself just an illusion? In 2013, physicist Juan Maldacena proposed a radical idea. ER equals EPR. Einstein-Rosen bridges, wormholes, are the same as quantum entanglement. Distance is not empty. It is a tunnel. Imagine the universe not as a container, but as a network. Every atom linked to another. The boundary between here and there dissolves. We do not touch. We are already one. Look at your hand. The carbon in your cells was forged in ancient stars. That starlight is entangled with the darkness around you. Separation is a trick of the eye. There is no outside. The universe is a single, shimmering organism. Every interaction binds us tighter. The void is not empty. It is full of connection. The thread never breaks. From the subatomic to the cosmic, we are the universe experiencing itself. Together. Always.